Friends, welcome to my channel for watch more videos on machine learning. I have gone through many videos on PHP with database connectivity with graph. I have also gone through videos on Java with database connectivity with Ajax with graph. I have also gone through videos on Node.js with MySQL connectivity, Node, MongoDB connectivity. I have also gone through Python with database connectivity and also with MongoDB database and Postgres database. But I'm keenly interested to do more videos on machine learning using Python right now. Today's video is really interesting. It is all about face alignment with OpenCV. I will tell in brief what is face alignment. Face alignment is a technique in which image of person is rotated according to the according to the angle of eyes. This technique is actually used to be part of pipeline process in which facial detection is done using image. For that, we will see the program of face alignment using Python. First, import statement, from statement are the required libraries which needs to be imported for this program. Then next function is face detection, then trigonometry for detecting the face in the sense face detection. The next statement it is used for, then we need to find the largest pair of eyes in reference image. This is all about. Then next statement capturing the eyes, right eye center and left eye center is for capturing the eyes. Then next statement using trigonometry to calculate the length of edges here. Then next statement CV2 circle in the sense calculate the angle X. Then next statement rotate the image according to the reference frame of the image. In that sense, rotate the image according to the reference frame of the image, and at last scale the image to see the facial expression. Scale the image to see the face image. Now I will execute the program. Yes, image has been displayed with matplotlib. Now I will scale it. Yes, it is rotated somewhat, and then yes, I have successfully done with face alignment using OpenCV with Python. If you like this video, please comment and share with your friends. I will be back with more videos on machine learning. Thank you very much for listening patiently for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.